I've put together 15 different sales, marketing, persuasion, coaching, communication models into this one. It's the best I could do to simplify how I see coaching and also how I see sales, right? And the essence of this model is that in order to get someone to do something that will probably be challenging for them to do, what we first want to do is get them to identify their biggest motivators so that we can align with those motivators. So the Inspir Formula, also called Achieve, Avoid, Act, right? There are 3 steps. The first step is getting what they want to achieve, their vision, their want, their desire, their goal, their toward, the thing that they want to make in this world or manifest or have come true or real. Second is what they want to avoid, their nightmare, their danger, their fear, their problem, they're away from, that thing that they want to keep out of their life, prevent, right? Make sure it doesn't happen. And then number 3 is the action step. Okay, we want them to identify what their next action step is. And we have 3 questions. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to avoid? And then what's your next step? Now, there are additional levels to this. You'll see that this process gets more dynamic. There are more layers to it as we go into the future weeks here. But the most important thing to do when you're doing Achieve, Avoid, Act is to listen to the specific words and phrases that your client is using. And I recommend to write them down. You take their words, their phrases, and write them down so that you can repeat them back to them so that they know that you heard them. But also, I will tell you that their words and phrases are going to be far more persuasive than your words and phrases.